I'm going to be sharing with you some amazing products for autumn, teaching you how to do the easiest smoky eye, some long-lasting makeup tips and secrets that us pro makeup artists do when we're in this transitional stage to help our makeup look fire in autumn. I have 0 products on my face right now, so I am dry. When you do brows, you don't want anything on your skin. I'm going to take my brow gel, don't worry, I'll link all of the products down below. The fact that we don't have any skincare products on is going to help us make our brows stay on for longer. As I wait for my brows to dry, I'm now going to go on to my skincare, and that is the way it should be. Your skin in the summer is not like it is in the autumn and winter months. You need hydration. Get a milky toner that you can rely on. Anything milky is going to really hydrate. A good skin prep is also going to make your makeup last. Don't forget your lips as well. Even in autumn months, the sun can really radiate onto your skin. We want our skin to be protected. I'm loving this La Roche-Posay one. It is good. I have really sensitive skin, so any SPF for me is a bit of a risk. Always put lip balm on. The bit that I'm most excited for is eyes. I always feel like in autumn you can get away with more makeup on your eyes. I'm going to be showing you how to do this easy smoky eye that's going to take 2 minutes. I'm going to be showing you how to do the lipstick trick. This is Paramount from MAC. You can use any brown lipstick for this. All you need to do is slap dash, just go all over your eye. This is like a red toned brown and this suits my eyes better, but if you have browner or green eyes, then you want to go for more of like a cool toned. And I look crazy, but don't worry. I'm going to pat that and start blending it out to create like a semicircle shape. We're just like defining, blending the edges using patting motions. That's the key to like the perfect blend. Looking a little bit crazy? That's how it should be. Now I'm taking a fluffier brush. This one was a bit more dense. Where the brow meets the eyeshadow, we're just focusing on that bit. I'm not pulling down into that area where all the pigment is. I'm using like soft, really gentle sweeping motions. Key here is to be very gentle. Lipsticks are like my secret as a makeup artist. Like they create the best eye bases. You can do this with all shades that you have. Whatever's left on the brush, I'm just going to take it underneath my eye. If you have blue eyes, you want to use like a brown in the waterline. If you have brown eyes or green eyes, you want to use more like a purpley shade. It's a great way to make your eyes long lasting. Take a loose powder and just tap it over the eye. This will just stop it from transferring. Taking any black eyeshadow I have, I'm just going to focus it on the lash line, but on the outer side of the lash line. It's going to help lift up the eye. You know what? Lash curlers have made such a difference in my routine. My favorite mascara of all time, and it's drugstore. It separates my lashes like no other mascara. Are we seeing the difference? This is the best hack you're going to learn all day. If you've got mascara transferred up on there, wait for it to dry, grab a spoolie, go back and forth on those little mascara dots. Every time I show this technique to someone, they're like, in the autumn, I tend to go for a more fuller coverage foundation just to give that long lasting effect. I'm going to be using my NARS Light Reflecting Foundation. It is one of my favourites. I'd love to know your favourites down below. Focus it more on the centre of my face. My rosacea always pops around this time of year, so having something yellow toned is like my favourite thing. If you want an affordable version of this, then I would recommend the Maybelline Skin Tint. I'm going to take that in the areas that I need it the most. Honestly, foundation is one of those things I just wouldn't be able to live without. If we see in this finish, it's like radiant from within. A product I'm really drawing to at the moment is the Laguna Original Bronzing Cream. It's not too creamy. I know that people love creamy bronzers for the blendability, but if you want it to last, then you want something a little bit stiffer. Although it's not going to be easy to blend out, it's going to be really good for longevity. It's like the perfect mustard tone. It's almost like a fake tan colour. Huge tip if you're in a rush and you want your contour to blend with your eyeshadow, focus more on that outer eyebrow and pull your eyeshadow out into your temple. I'm not using a lot of concealer at the moment, but the one I am using is the NARS. I think they just don't crease as much as other ones. Soft matte concealer or the creamy concealer. I go into like a triangle shape like this, and I don't go too far up to the eye. I'm going to use the same colour as I did on my eyes. I'm going to pop that on my cheeks and it blends out so nicely, and it's that perfect stiffness that will make it long lasting as well. I'm going to use my fingers to blend that out. This is like the perfect autumnal colour. I'm just going to set underneath my eyes anywhere that I've put concealer. I love a loose powder, I'm not gonna lie. Layering and loose powders are literally what's gonna make your makeup last, so make sure that you don't skip out on the loose powder. It doesn't have to be crazy, like you can still see there's a bit of radiance going on. In about an hour, like my oils will start to come out and it will be a little bit more shinier. The more and more I'm using this product, the more I'm loving it. It's the Urban Decay Brow Blade. It has like a pen on one side. The other side it has a retractable pencil. And I'm just gonna use the retractable pencil side, figure out where I want my brows to go. People go way too much on their brows. eyebrows need to like be really gentle. I always like to bring my tail out a little bit. Time to bring out my favorite autumnal lip combo that suits so many people. I'm going in with Iconic Nude from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the perfect like neutral color. The more layers you put on your lip, the longer lasting it'll be. You could wear that by itself. It's so pretty. I'm going to use Sweet Tea Morphe, another amazing autumnal shade. A little bit of it just to give some definition. Taking it on the outer side, leaving the centers completely free. This is Nude Cake from Charlotte Tilbury. Just going to stick that in the center of my lip. Almost got a little bit of a satin finish. At this point, we would set our face with setting spray, but you guys know how I feel about setting spray. Yeah, this is the look. If you thought this video was good, I would really appreciate it if you liked and subscribed. If you've got this far, let me know what autumnal looks that you'll be doing this season, because there's a lot of like trends on social media at the moment that I'm like, So let me know in the comments, and I will see you next time.